In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the color palette in Google Slides. This is a valuable skill for those looking to personalize their presentations and make an impactful visual statement. Let's dive right in and explore how you can reshape your slide aesthetics with just a few clicks. To begin, you'll want to have Google Slides open with the presentation you're working on. If you don't have one ready, feel free to create a new presentation to follow along. Our first task is to choose the slide for which we want to customize the colors. Once you have selected the slide, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Slide. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you will find the Edit Theme option. Click on this and it will open the theme editing view. In this new interface, you'll notice different slide templates on the left-hand side. These are part of the slide theme you're currently using. What we're aiming for is to adjust the master slide, so click on the first thumbnail you see, typically labeled as Master at the very top. This ensures any changes you make will apply to all slides in this theme. Now, with your master slide selected, bring your focus to the toolbars again, and this time click on Colors, just above the master slide. This summons a small dialog box where you'll likely see various color options. These are your current palette defaults. What we're interested in is modifying these default colors to fit our needs. Begin adjusting by selecting any color in the palette you wish to change. This will open a further color selection pane. You have the option here to select predefined colors or create a custom one by clicking on the Add Custom Color button. A slider or input field will appear, and you can use the provided hex code, RGB, or HSL values to get your desired shade. As you change each color, you'll see the updates immediately reflected in the thumbnails, giving you instant feedback. Once you're satisfied with your customized palette, it's essential to take a moment to review your slides to ensure the new colors maintain contrast and readability. This is key to effective slide design. If any slides require specific tweaking, you can go directly to those slides and manually adjust the colors using the editing tools. Finally, don't forget to save your work by clicking File and then Save, ensuring all your hard-earned customization efforts are securely stored. And there you have it, a personalized color palette perfectly tailored to your presentation's needs, enhancing both its visual impact and coherence. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy presenting.